get you?
I said, oh boy. He said, now we're having real fun, dog fun.
Don't fall off, baby.
Now we're having fun. That Pearl's gonna be a buddy. She's gonna get up and talk to me. That's what I like. We'll be good buds.
She's so quick. And he's being pretty gentle, really.
Yeah.
He's not biting her. He's just
just
putting his
toy.
mouth.
She's so
He knows
fast.
she's a little.
Give her a chance to quit that.
Good job. Make sure she don't fall off then. Like, she's probably a lot stronger than
No,
you think.
yeah, she'd be like.
She is pretty strong.
She just bounced right up.
Oh, she's getting him. All right.